Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to somewhere, a very beautiful place here in Negros, which is known for the white beaches, and that is Sipalay City. And we are going to explore, and we're going to discover this new resort, a well-known resort. I think this is the luxury resort here in Sipalay, which is called the Manami Resort.
As in, dako-dako. Kaya ang sama namin, may gamay lang na bay na space, may park. Mga native, ka ba lang talawa ba?
Baka mag-braya, magpabuak mo. May sapatos, pulalaan ko, di ba?
Aqua shoes to. Tapos mas-snorkeling ka to.
Mas-snorkeling.
May gawin ko, sa dala parang yan. Oh my gosh! Welcome to Manami Resort, Sipalay. Oh my gosh! Manami Resort, Sipalay. Wow!
Ay, na kami sa Bosa Manami.
This is Manami Resort. Welcome to Manami Resort. So.
Yan, tintin. Wala formal pa.
Sir, reservation pa kayo, sir? O, kay Christine
J. Rebellion. Nasakay-sakay na kung saan, no?
Sa card.
Traktora.
No, sa card.
Thank you so much.
Sir, alin pa ka lang, sir? Mag-park na ka lang dito sa pakingirian.
Wow. Manami Resort, dyan. Parking, wala daw. Solar farm. Ano solar farm? Axel. Ay ba? Oh my gosh, girl. Entrance na pala. Parang ano lang ito eh. May card-card na pala ito.
Entrance pa lang.
Lunch pa lang nila.
Mga dala.
Siya na lang.
It's complimentary, and also the fruit outside is complimentary din po. And then for you to open the veranda, ma'am, pull down if you want to open, and then pull up if you want to close.
Yung spelling po ha. Ay, sige po. Okay lang yan. Yung
Saan
spelling
po, ma'am? Yung
Charot.
galing po.
Okay lang po. As long as yung last name mag-ano. Charot.
Yung tama.
Bakit nagtagalog tayo? Kayo mga talag Ilonggo.
Sige po.
Oh, welcome. Wow, this is so nice.
And also, ma'am, here po pala, we have here the coffee pies, and then that one po is complimentary, and also the water is complimentary. We have here the menu bar. This is not complimentary, but we have here the priceless and many French po.
Oh my gosh.
Ano yung card?
Yes, ma'am. That complimentary.
Kuya ka doon may...
May dako, ma'am, here po. May bayong siya kasama. Balenciaga.
But this is not complimentary. You can use when you stay here naman po. That
Wow!
one po.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that is complimentary also. And we have here the safety deposit box and hair dryer.
Dryer ano?
So, kung pwede mo kung nanamyan ka na, o pwede mo na mabakal to
Pila?
2,800 pesos.
Pila?
2,800.
Go na nga. Go na.
And also, all toiletries here is complimentary. Your dental kit, shower cup, and ano po, mga sabon ma'am, pwede gid. Pero upon request na sa natin ma'am, shading kit, mga much ma'am.
Dami din na rooms ka no?
Bongga.
That's why, mahal.
Bongga.
So ma'am, this is your key card. Your key card po.
Yes.
And if you have questions, clarifications, and if you need golf cart, just dial 0 in your telephone. You can direct at the front desk.
Zero.
Yes. And also ma'am, sa Wi-Fi, tadi sa room, just connect room 304 and wala naman sa password.
Oh.
And as of the moment, itong nga TV, wala na sa channel. But if you have an account in Netflix, YouTube, you can plug it in na lang.
Wow, very
Thank you
good.
so much. Enjoy, ma'am. Ay,
April.
yung 1:30 po pala yung board natin.
Thank you.
Kulot lang kami amon nga bagay.
Sige, sir.
Why na? This is, wow. Bongga. Bongga.
Picture tayo sa room.
Makayaman naman gid dito on ni. Social to sa wala sa kaubras ni. Wow. Mayat sila oh.
So, ang sinabing dagat, bali duwan ang saka park. Bigod park and Spooler Park. This is African Park. Sinabing dagat. Ang Spooler Park naman yan, sakya. Kasi kulang na siya makasunod dito. So, taas tubig. So, lucky, gid ka mo subong kay makasunod din kita. Because, kataasan.
Mga small loudest angel. Dagat. Sure talaga. Gamit na? Kabay lang namin. Karon sunset ba? Sige.
Nagar.
Gagos na. Ang tulip pa. Hindi siya si gagos. Hindi mo ka nagkapit. Babi yan. Tell me something good. Are you happy in this modern world?
Afternoon.
Dire sir, sa kilid.
Meron na discover mo na. Damo. Sa bagay, damo. Di ko ba ang namuguro niya? Si Palay.
Damo.
Picture ko niya.